What's up, guys? Welcome to the Wolf's Den. My name is Wolf, and I know today's episode of Central Front 3 is starting off a little weird, because normally I don't, talk to you guys. The intro scroll kind of comes in and does its thing, and there's music, and it's epic. But today, I do want to start this off a little differently, just to take a moment to thank you guys so much for helping us get to Thank you.
I trust you. Friendship bracelet.
Thanks, I guess. I will accept, but I am very confused. Ow! Was that a ricochet? I don't know, but I'm gonna call that.
Alright. My habit's fucked right now.
Bang, 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 bang! That is the plan.
Yeah. Out. Hit. Hit.
Get right into the action.
You guys have to call in. We cannot RTB anything unless it's called in first.
Oh really? Our squad leader.
Say
told us
we
to bring-
we got
told
RTB.
everybody at that when everyone's standing out there and then yelling at everyone. Yeah, tell them. I'll put it out on the chat again. Open it up. Let's see what you got. What's that?
I said, ain't you real?
Shit's coming in so fast. Yeah.
Go ahead and RTB that in.
I'll let you know we got two of the bios.
Go for some man.
Gloves.
Hey, stay down. I'm gonna Hail Mary this motherfucker.
Yeah, don't hit me.
That was nowhere. That was nowhere. Never mind, man.
Hey, I just got hit. What we try?
You're dead, man.
Yeah, you hit me with a BB.
Hit. Oh. Fair.
Medic! I couldn't fall.
I couldn't either. I didn't want to pull it on you. I didn't know what color you were.
How'd a muppet like you pass selection?
My gun's broken.
Oh, okay. Best of luck to you, friend.
Yeah, thank you.
While the rest of this video has had some good highlights of good communication, what's about to happen next is a highlight of some very poor communication on the part of our friendly forces in the area.
So sitting here is not going to get us anywhere because they're watching it now. And if we stay here too long, they're going to get up over this berm and come this way. So.
Bang bang, you're dead. Bang bang, you're dead. Bang bang, you're dead.
Okay. We're yellow, buddy.
You safety killed your whole team. Are you guys fucking... Can you medic us at least?
Well, we only get one revive, so we're both dead.
I got 3 other people. Hey, hey.
Because I revived you already.
I'm sorry, guys.
I'm going to get out of this so we don't get shot the f*** up.
Yeah, but you still hit me, so...
Thank you guys so much for watching to the end of the video. I know today was a little bit of a weird one. Normally we would have Central Front 3 videos coming out on this day in particular, as it is bi-weekly. But don't worry, we'll be having another Ground Branch video coming out next Wednesday, and then following that up directly, we'll be getting right back into Central Front 3. I just wanted to do something a little special for you guys, since we did cross over not only our 500 marker, but quickly after we got to 600, and I fell behind a little bit on those promises of getting some stuff out to you guys when we hit those markers. So this one does count for 500. I'll be doing something for 600 here soon, but I wanted to do something special for you guys. So thank you guys so much, and as always, my name is Wolf, and I hope to see you guys next time I hit the field.